This video is going to walk you through how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. The steps to do that are, you're going to first take your denominator and divide it into your numerator. However many times it can go in, an even number of times, that is your whole number. Whatever remainder you have left over will go on top of that denominator and become your proper fraction portion. Let's walk through 4 examples to illustrate this. Example 1. Let's convert 29/4 into a mixed number. First thing we're going to do is we're going to divide 4 into 29. So 4 can go into 29 a total of 7 times. That's 28 and leaves with a remainder of 1. So in this case, 7 is our whole number, 1 is our remainder. It goes over our denominator of 4 and becomes 7 1/4. To double check that, you can convert the mixed number back to an improper fraction. And you do that by multiplying 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29 over 4. So you know you're right. Next example, 26/5 is the same thing as what mixed number? So 5 goes into 26. We know it goes 5 times for 25. And that leaves with a remainder of 1. So our mixed number is going to be 5 is our whole number, and 1 remainder goes over our denominator of 5 for 5 1/5. Double check it. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26 over 5. Third example. Let's find out what 59/8 is. So we divide 8 into 59, which goes 7 times. That gives us 56 and a remainder of 3. So our whole number is 7. Remainder of 3 goes over our denominator of 8. And we have 7 3/8. Double check again. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 3 is 59. Last one. 4 can go into 17 4 times with a remainder of 1. So our whole number is 4 and our proper fraction portion is 1/4. So now that you've been through 4 examples, take a stab at this one on your own. Convert 10/3 into a mixed number. Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.